Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series C++ coding in Arduino Mega. Guys, we are on lesson number 32, Arduino C++ declaring an array. In the previous lesson, I showed you what an array is. Now I am going to show you how you declare an array in your C program. So basically there are different methods to declare an array, right? So let's open up our IDE and I'm going to show you with some examples. So basically, there are different types, right? For example, let's say let me just delete our previous program and then show you the different methods to declare an array in Arduino IDE, right? So we can declare an array without a specific size. So what does that mean? So for example, int my array, I'm just giving a naming convention, my array, and you have to always end with a square bracket. Remember this, square bracket open and close equals to, with a curly bracket like this, open a curly bracket, say 1 4 6 7, just a random number I'm choosing, guys, nothing specific. This is just an example, okay? And then end with a semicolon. Now we can declare the array without initializing its elements. So for example, say int my array in a square bracket. You can also say I want to access 4, just an example, and close the square bracket, okay, like this. And then we can also declare the array by initializing the size and the elements. Now how do we do that? So for example, say int my array, and in the square bracket, say for example, say 8, okay, 8. There is no limitation in the size. And then what we need to do, 8 equals to, in a curly bracket, you can say 1 4 7, say 9 3 2 comma 4. Oops, curly bracket. It has to be in the curly. What's happening? It has to be in the curly bracket like this. All right. Now in this, there is also a feature. The elements of the array can be characters or negative numbers as well, right? So how it works is, for example, say int my array. Now in the square bracket, if I want to access say 4 equals to, in a curly bracket, say 1 comma minus 3 comma 4, okay, and close the curly bracket and then end with a semicolon. And then you can also say character, char, right? My array, I want to call in for 6, close the bracket, square bracket equals to, and you can put in any character here, whatever you want. Hello Avengers, but it has to be in a double quote. All right, remember, it has to be in a double quote and end with a semicolon. So basically this is how you declare arrays in your code, in your programming, right? So in the previous lesson I showed you what is an array, and in this lesson you need to understand how to declare an array. Either it can be a character or an integer or a negative value, right? So this is how you declare, and remember all the syntaxes like square bracket and a curly bracket, right? This is how the program works. Alright guys, I'm going to be back soon in the next video. Do give me a thumbs up and a like, and until then, goodbye.